this is wait, ngishintshe Wi-Fi. Wait. Ngifuna ngivele nobubi bakosami bathu. Wait. Ngidlale. Should I play? Noma ufuna ungiqulekisa la. Ngivele ngibe right kosami. Ngivele ngibe right. Ufuna ungiqulekisa? Ngidlale. Uthi ngenzeni? News, okay. Let's ngikhuphele screen.
I-level up yami lapho thatha. Bye-bye-ke ngiyodlala-ke mina manje. Uyangibambezela ungivulisa uyangivalisa angithi angiphenduli uma ngikhulumisa.
Kodwa sisi wami. Soqabula izinqa wena.
Hlala ngiyovula-ke ngiyeza.
My first vote. Ngiyabona. First vote yami this year cabanga.
Ya, kumele ithole kusisi wakho vele.
Ngiyabonga Tsamisa.
Bye-bye, ngilinde ngiyeza. Ngilinde ngiyeza.
Okay. Ngidla green screen. Ngiyabona amehla ama-red. Asihambile. Hey Lindy angisabona sengibona ivote. Uthi vula live ngizokufakela i-university ngizofaka ivote. Le ntombazana. What? Ngisa screenshot ngalese kunzoyithola kuma live recordings wami. Wow. My first vote. Hello guys. Just tap the screen for me. Please. Dumela. Unjani? Angiyiboni live nje. Ngiyabasha la. Ngihamba nami. Thank you for the popular votes. Thank you.
Awungiyeki, awungiyeki nje. Ngangibuki nokukubuka.
Angi-happy guys. Niyazi ukuthi ngi-happy.
Sizodlala nobani?
Sengivele ngabe Nkosi yami bathi. Kodwa why you so gift? Why you so gift match ngakaqali nifuna ushaya mara TikTok anginandaba ukuthi uningi vote.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, fine. How are you?
Namhlanje ngikho safe ngifuna ama-team.
Akho safe kanjani?
Ukudlala ndawo.
And final bathi kunini yangigeja eyangematch yami yazi ngematch yami yazi kwakushoda kancane kanjani ngangishodela 19k to unlock kanti ngizohamba
תודה רבה שלך, תודה יא מלכה, תודה.
Thank you wena maboy dana. Ama-rich kids avuka ngama-votes ezinye iy'ngane zabheka ama-rose. Rich kids. Niyakanga nini?
Mina njalo rich kid.
Nansi enye la phansi iyathepha.
For everyone lo. Asisa screenshot ngabe ngizofaka u-green screen. Yes. Ngiyofaka u-green screen nje.
Hamba buka kwi-video uyazi usulate mina sengiphoste wakuphosta sisi asidlali la.
Ngibonile.
Ngisho le yakho manje before ngizovuka.
If you postile.
Hawu asidlali la.
תודה רבה, תודה, תודה.
Lesopho ufake music ngiscreame kangaka.
Ngifaka umusic.
Let me see.
Hayibo inganyana uthi namhlanje ngizorenka. Ngizobe ngirenkiswa yini nkosana. Thank you for the heart Miss Fiso. Ngirenkiswa yini igarari yami uyibona nje. Uzonginika ivesi mntanami. Yayizo ingane yami ithi ngizorenka namhlanje. Thank you so much Fiso. Thank you. Thank you T. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. I appreciate a lot. Thank you so much with the popular. Unganyana uzonginikeza university mntanami. Hey D. Ngiyaphinda. Hamba uyichecka.
Hey Sicelo.
Good morning Mabaka.
Oh my god. The little girl inside me was so happy. Oh my. Sisi ngiyabonga. Yo, ngiyabonga mina.
I love you wena.
How are you? I'm so happy. Shem, walenza usuplam. Uvele ngaba right.
Thank you Mabaka. Wenganyana uthi ngizorenka mntanami ufuna ukunginika i-university ninikeza umama phela nkosi wamuntu. Awuqothi umapahla aje wamama kumapanka. Nikeza umama phela po.
Ayicela ngiphethe screen.
Hawu kanti uthi ngizorenka ngani mntanami awufake i-uni phela ufakele umama wakho nje. Together hapo. Fakele umama wakho.
Yazi ukuthi yesterday I didn't push ngoba I had a fragment. I had a shoot. So namhlanje ngivulele indlela yazi ukuthi I need to push. Ngizophusha kanjani ngizophusha nge-green screen angithi now vele today.
Angiveli.
I'll try to stay like. Uzowathola ama-followers amaningi unginike i-vote so uzobona ungode yabros ke ungena ku-live yami.
Mina ngifuna ilona bazi mathola ama-fireworks. Uleon
Guys,
ne-fly.
follow TikTok ye-streamer ngeso.
Thank you. Yeah, ilesi stream esikwazi ukuricharge le. Imali yaso.
Phela bangafollow becimba uzobanikeza ama-universe.
Flozy, thank you so much. Thank you Timo.
Angifuni wasisi wami ngizokufihla. Vele nini-favorites.
Aningipeni iLeon phela bangani. Yazi noma ngathola le 2.
Ayicela ngiphi lion mina. Ningavumi.
Wena wacela okukhulu kangaka sibe sicela into encane so.
Bathi simangathola i-universe inkosi yami webantu.
Mina ngifuna nje uLeon bafethu.
Thank you, bye bye.
Uyabaleka mengena smoke lo sathane lo sikakabongi ngisho abantu bethu.
How? Guys, thank you so much. Thank you for tapping. Osisa.
ngifuna nangokukodwa into akangishaye yona izolo. When we got, stop being jealous. Go and check my posts. My last post.
How are
Go
you?
there and check. Hey, don't greet me. Go
Oh
and check
my
my
god,
post.
Pumpkin is here.
Your last
Flip
post
sticks.
is
Oh lord.
me.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Shilona
Why?
awunenkinga ye-network ke lo.
My TikTok yenza
Bobby.
ithini?
Hi, Pumpkin.
V? Oh,
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm saying go and check my last post, my last 3 posts
Yenza
now.
ithini
With your backup.
With my backup. Okay,
With your
okay,
backup.
okay.
Go and
That
check
phone.
my last post.
Okay, that phone is charging now. I'll go in 10 minutes.
Go there now.
Your last
Don't
3
waste
posts.
time. Yes, don't waste time. Don't waste time now. Let's start with disconnecting with this lady first. Let's disconnect.
Okay.
Disconnect
Come.
now. Yes.
Oh, she's gone already.
Okay, let me access. Guys, just double check the screen for me.
What's up, Queen?
I'm sharing.
Are you checking?
I'm
Checking
gonna check
in?
now in 5 minutes. My
Hello,
battery's on 4%.
okuhle ngiyakwashi line Ntombi, yabo nje.
Stop being jealous, because go there
Ngiyakwashi
now.
line, angiboni ne-comment sana. Angiboni ama-comment. Hi first.
Thank you guys for the tips. Thank you so much. Excuse guys, it's fancy. Ngiphatha sihle lesi sithombe Pumpkin ungisendele lesi sithombe sifakile yazi.
Isithombe sami. You like it? To me. Thank you, Frosty. Ngikuwashing line nkosami ngazi nokuthi
Thank you, V. V God.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it out now.
Why you
Wait.
saying this? Why ungafuni ukuvula live ufake green screen now upushe ngo-0 njengasi?
Thank you so much, B-Mod.
Mina ngizovela
Wait
lesa
for it,
ngifila better okwamanje. No.
Shana, how's the buddy?
Destiny, help her come and give me a Leon. I need a Leon and the flying jet. Destiny, help her. I need a Leon and the flying jet.
Thanks, bro. Girls. Hey.
Guys, we need 2 roses. The last one. That's with the first, second, and third.
That's why ngithi ufaka ku-screen screen. Angithi uyabulele ngapho ku-green screen.
Yo, you got a vault. Oh, yo, well done. That's incredible. Oh my god. Wow. Yay. Wow.
My husband.
Oh
We are not playing, V. We are not playing. Thank you so and thank you so much.
Oh my god.
Why are you
Wow,
saying?
wow.
Yes, they're beating me, my babe. They're
That
beating
is
you,
incredible.
Hello,
Well
Papa.
They're taking advantage because
Well
I'm
done.
putting your clothes on
Yo.
my hair, on my washing line. So they're beating me.
You check them.
Can you hook them for me? Hook them.
Well done.
I need
Today.
never snipe.
Ish. No, that's
Snipe day.
amazing. Wow. Congratulations to everybody as well.
Let me check it again.
Well done. Hey,
I don't feel tired of watching.
Oh, it's amazing.
God. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Happy to my life. Imagine these people in a stress. My TikTok, uyayibona induku?
Induku yani?
500.
Anginandaba.
I'm on 500.
Anginandaba naleyo nto.
The last is always a winner. Always. My man is in the house. He says,
Yeah.
not with my lady, not with my, what you call this, my mujas. Yo, yani. As in so narang guashin line. Sakay
Wow.
much is still la. Yeah, my TikTok.
Mina ngibuka i-votes.
Guashin line la. Sakay much is still
Anginandaba ne-washing line no-500 wakho. Mina ngibhizi ngibuka wena lapha undiza. Ecisha kwapenti.
Cisha ngafa.
Wavela nepenti. Usurawunda lapha.
Ngivele iphentu kephi?
Thanks, Prakals.
Ngithi cisha wavela nepenti urawunda ngibuka i-volt.
Ibhodi yami.
No, I'm saying I'm watching i-volt. Khathi receive i-volt manje. I-happiness lapho rawunda cisha kwavela nepenti. Guys, thank you so much.
Here's my TikTok yangidelela yes. Angidelela. Manje sisi ungasa-edit la video Nkosi yabuye bathi noma ngiyo-edit.
Cha wena uzo-editha mina ngi-edit.
Awusufaka ingoma yesingisi bakithi bantu ma-TikTok kodwa wabanjani?
Angithi ivideo yami sisi. Ama-post ami. Mina ngiyakutshela ukuthi ufakani kwawakho ama-post.
Siyafana kumposta umposti.
Thank you, Prakals.
Thank you so much, Meka.
That's why ngi-happy is because the university receive ngabantu aba-special. So I'm special. I'm special. I'm special. That's why I got a vote. I'm special. Phika futhi ukuthi ayikho special.
Hey. Asizingeni.
Yazi kunalo mfana la ohlala la ku-apartment yami ne. Uyathanda ukubuya kwa-Shilina's.
Hey, what is happening with Adonis? Is he going live and stuff again?
Uyathanda ukuya kwa-Shilina akazobuka ama-G-string namhlanje.
I don't know what happened yesterday. It was live. You remember? I tried to.
Ngifuna ukuwafaka ekuqaleni. Hayi, thank you.
What will happen? Just think of the
I
last
don't know. Remember the time zone with Adonis. Time zone.
Oh, yeah. True. Junes, thank you, my brother.
Siyafana na kumposta umposti. Ubuhle lobo. Yazenzisa. Ungiphethe kahle udala. Ungiphethe kahle.
See how quiet it's become, brother.
Yo, Pumpkin, there is a lady called Black Widow. Hey.
She's
Let
not,
me hope
she's
she's
not
doing
around.
it
She's
today.
not around now.
She must be busy today. Yesterday, V got yesterday. What you did to me? Yo, that woman.
usuke yi-stream esinenyoka uma uvula ama-votes.
Nyawanga.
Oh, thank you, Buckles.
Wena.
It's easy to remember.
Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Mqebi.
Manje sikudabanga ukuthini? Menikhu tap screen lapha. Menikhu umoya wakho woniwa yini? Tap screen lapha. Oh, good spot.
Pumpkin, you drop. Pumpkin fika hlale ku-0 then ekugcineni bam seku-30.
Siyafaka ama-5 sawu-3 bangijwayele kahle. Mina ngihlala ku-0 bese ngijani?
Maylene, welcome in.
Siyafana nakumpost. No, Sia, listen to me. Sia, I need 3.
Thanks for the likes, Rosie.
Siyabona ukuthi la ilanga liyakufitha nje one day kumele ngizohostela. I need to host outside ngizodlala ama-day games phambili. Udlala noma ka-TikTok. Ufuna ungifake isithule. Ngidlala nawo ama-day game.
Lutho angidlali leyo nto.
Fake isithule kumomosi.
Laba abaphuza umqhamu uthi ngapha.
Thank you,
Siyangicela
Buckles.
ufake
Thank you, Jones.
ama-5 Nkosi yami.
Thank you guys with the tap.
28.
Thank you guys. Did still help her? I need a Leon, a flying jets, 3 fireworks, 2. A Leon, fireworks, flying jets.
Thanks, Rosie.
Destiny Hopper, come and look at me.
Siyafana nakumposta umposti. Yo, ma-TikTok khanda nami.
Thank you, folks.
Yazi ukuthi lokhu ngivukile ngaphandle ngathi kungcono. Shuthi ngigula wesimangilele, ne?
Emela unyakaze kuphela.
Kulala kuyagulisa, ne?
Thank you for respecting Omega.
Yazi ngesikhathi ngilele bengathi sengishona. Noma ngiyashona.
Yes, baby. Thank you for the likes.
Kanti bese kuhlungiswa yini Antoni kwenzani?
Mina ngifuna urestarta.
Uvula manje urestarta manje.
Cha. Ukuze i-vote yami ngikwazi ukuyiposta kahle ngahlala ama-hours. Namhlanje ngithole i-gift enkulu Nkosi yami. Hey bantu. Ayithola la loba ubantu, so I don't want to take chances. Siyazwana. Yes. After this birthday. You're looking to come in. Ngibona amamenemene adluka la ngoba ebengawaboni. Oh guys, ngihappy nayazi vote. Malini.
No problem.
Imake usizocinga umuntu osomfaka la in the meantime
Yes.
until you come back. Pumpkin is leaving after this one, but she will come back.
Ngiyarestarta nje mina.
Thank you, Buckles.
Ngani phela sizobe si-add umuntu wesi-4 nje. Hayi sizokulinda u-edit video.
No, angiposti manje, ngiposta ntambama balike abathakathi kodwa ngingaposta manje.
Posta manje ekuseni bazongena bezogift. Yazi ukuthi mukade ureceive igift enkulu bayangena abantu.
Okay.
Sofaka umuntu wesithathu sibedlala naye then on the next match bese uyajoyina.
Angithi yazi sisazotype i-paragraph engaka.
Kulungile phela uma usufuna si-add uzoza nje uzosho.
Okay. Isikhala lami lubuhlungu.
Kuzamanzi.
Yani. Abathakathi bangifuni. Bengafuni receive i-votes. Guys, he.
Thank you very much, Apostle.
Guys, can someone snap for me? I'm gonna lose my TikTok.
And yazi anginankinga shanje uzungibulala ngijabule kabi.
Senza iporridge la ngokhona ngovuka manje. Ingajajani. Ingajajani TikTok. Yes, ngibona manje sokuthi.
Yeah, Paris mina ngitheni.
Yazi ufuna ukuthi umuntu oyintombazane uvuka manje.
Hayi khulu ntombi wena ohlelo.
I will never. When a big stream of unfollow you. Where's this? Ufuna ungimamele eso. Uvula amandlela. Yabona ngale angiyi.
Nami angiyi inhlobo ke nje khofa.
Hayi angiyi.
Ngayi ngisho nange-rules angiyi nje at all. And umngani uyadlula ntombi shwi every.
Do you know ukuthi ungaya ayikho into yobuya kuye ngoba manje it's like usathenga. And wes angithenge nge-1 rand. So mina sorry. Nizothi angikho right, nizophela nihlele. Angiyi.
Yes, bro.
Mina ngizongena nje nge-backup ngiyobuka. Ngiyobuka umadam.
Thanks. Go ahead.
Awujatholile.
Siya. Hosi ngicela usnipe la Hosi please please. Thank you with the heart me. Awusnipe la Hosi faka hand heart. Hawu yazi kufuneka ama hand heart azi ngiyakhohlwa ukutshela lezi ingane njani. Ubonile kuwa mangaka ama hand heart ashoda pumpkin.
Hey.
Check-in. Funeka 50 mina ngisathole 19.
50 kephi kanti?
Lapha ngithe ubo checka khona. Thank you Khonsi. Khonsi, you were supposed to send a hand heart when not roses. Thank you. Thank you so much. Uyahamba manje pham.
Yes.